Okay, so selfie stick. I had some questions on the Facebook group about how I get my 360 cam out so far, and this is it. That's a 10-foot stick of EMT, and I made a bushing. Everybody won't be able to do this, but you can probably find a way. I made a 2-inch bushing, aluminum bushing, that I tapped 1/4-20, and then I found like the international 1/4-20 thread length for cameras and whatnot, so that the camera will bottom out there. Installed that, then I riveted in the bushing, and then I just red Loctited the all thread in there, and it just mounts via high-tech garage door seal, some leftover garage door seal rubber to protect the strut, and then some electrical tape. And just a quick tip with the electrical tape, you can, I mean, it's not going anywhere. It's on both struts. But run it, so when you start crisscrossing this, run it sticky. This is sticky right here. Sticky side up. So smooth, non-sticky side down. Wrap it a bunch, and that prevents you from when the sticky, see how this sticky, I did overlap some there, but this keeps the sticky off your airplane or your 360 boom if you do it right. But I definitely didn't want it on the airplane. So wrap it smooth side up a bunch and then flip it over. And I mean, you can go buy a $100 mount, or you can buy, I mean, a $100 mount, I needed 2 of them, 1 for each strut. That's a whole bunch of electrical tape. And electrical tape has other uses as well. So, you know, everybody's, you know, do what you want to do, but that's how this is on here. All right then.